Today we're going to review a menu number 7, beef strips and savory tomato-based sauce. Beef strips, chocolate pudding, flameless ration heater, white wheat snack bread, peppermint candy rings, Irish cream cappuccino instant powder, peanut butter, blackberry jam, accessory pack, beverage-based raspberry type 3 drink, salt, napkins, 2 pieces of gum, moist towelette, military spoon. Everybody knows we don't use it. We use the ForeignMRE.com spork. And let's get started reviewing. First thing I want to do is get the main heating. Got the main end heating up. We'll set that to the side. Open up the candies. Check it out. Look pretty good. Let's open up the white wheat snack bread. Looks really good. Okay, let's get the Irish cream cappuccino going. It says to fill it to the line. Gave it a little shake. Said I could use hot or cold water. I elected for cold water. Okay, let's open up the chocolate pudding. Give it a quick mix. Okay, let's get the drink going. Raspberry drink. Give it a quick stir. Okay, got the main out. It's pretty warm. Let's open it up and see what we have without making a mess. Let's give the beef strips a try. Check it out. To my surprise, it's great. It's very tender. It tastes like it's in a spaghetti sauce. It's very good. Okay, let's try the raspberry drink. Believe it or not, that's good too. This may actually be a good ration. All right, let's try the peanut butter. Let me go ahead and open up both of them. All right, let's try the snack bread. Wow. It's nice and fresh. The bread has a really good taste to it, but it's a little bit, I guess you'd call it spongy. All right, and let's try the creamy peanut butter. And peanut butter, man, is great. It's really good on the bread. Let's try a little bit of the blackberry jam. Blackberry jam is excellent too. Yeah, what's making it is the bread being so fresh. I got a little bit of the chocolate pudding on me. I don't know if you consider that a mess or not. All right, let's try a little peanut butter and jelly on the bread. Wow, that is just really good. Peanut butter and jelly, always good. You can't go wrong with it. So let's give it a try with the bread and the beef strips. I'm really amazed how fresh this bread is. Look at that. Okay, let's try the cappuccino. Wow. All right. And my favorite that I've been looking forward to with this ration is the chocolate pudding. I'm going to have to give this ration a perfect 10. The blackberry jam, the peanut butter, the bread, the beef strips and savory tomato sauce, the cappuccino, the raspberry drink, the chocolate pudding. It's all a perfect 10. I could eat this ration almost every day. Now, I still have the candy, but it's pretty early in the morning, and I'm sure these taste just like a lifesaver, spearmint flavor. So I'm not going to try that now. I hope you enjoyed this ration as much as I enjoyed eating it. And I'm going to finish it off. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Let me know if you've had this ration before and what you think about it. Leave it in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.